Small things can make a big difference when it comes to your car. Cutting corners in the small things can lead to bigger issues out on the road. Today's vehicles are precision engineered to work on the cutting edge of performance, economy, and safety. Just like you, the computer system wants the most accurate information possible to make informed decisions on what to do next. Running the sensors that were designed specifically for this guarantee that your vehicle's computer system has the best information possible so it can perform the best for you. It's not just sensors that this applies to. Items like fuel pumps, ignition coils, throttle bodies, and fuel injectors all must take input from the computer systems and execute their functions with precision, or else you will once again end up with a loss of performance, economy, or safety. Making sure that you have the replacement parts specifically designed for your application will keep things running like they did the day it drove off of the showroom floor. There is a ton of engineering that goes into every car that leaves the factory, but the engineering doesn't stop when the car hits the assembly line. Engineers continue to make updates to designs that address changing conditions such as new fuel formulations. Engineers also will use technology from the latest vehicles and incorporate that into the OE parts for prior model years. Maintenance is another area where the small things can make a big difference. Let us take a look at the most common maintenance items: oil and filters. Oil life monitors make their calculations based on manufacturer specified oils. Not all oils are the same. Knowing exactly what is in the oil makes a huge difference when trying to calculate how long it can protect sophisticated engine items such as variable valve timing systems, direct injection high pressure fuel pumps, and turbochargers. Working in tandem with the oil is the oil filter. Once again, knowing exactly how good the filter and how well it filters out contaminants makes the oil life indicator that much more accurate, keeping your engine clean, safe, and running its best for years to come. Meeting spec is one thing. Knowing exactly how something was designed and then improving on it, that's taking your parts experience and therefore your engine to the next level. I'm Josh Trokey, and thanks for watching.